Hello, everyone. I'm Phi from lynxkite. We developed a graph data science platform with the aim and also goal to ease the adoption of graph AI by data scientists. So what is graph? Actually is a very academic term, but in layman term, it's just a network analysis. And it has been around for many years and probably decades, and has been adopted by big tech company like Facebook use graph to identify influencer. Google uses graph to rank web pages. Amazon uses graph to recommend products. And very lately, even like Ant Financial, which is Alipay in China, uses graph to predict fraud. So many organizations actually have graph data, but very few of them actually have taken advantage of these assets. And we believe that this is going to change because of a number of reasons. First is the amount of graph data is actually rapidly growing. The graph that I'm showing you right now is the popularity change of a graph database over the last 6 to 7 years. And this is primarily driven by the business model like blockchain, mobile wallet, e-commerce, and sharing economies. And this new business model creates a vast amount of graph data. And in certain industry, the ability to take advantage of graph data is going to make or break their business. Simultaneously, a new deep learning technology and graph deep learning technology has emerged, which is called graph neural network. And this technology really reduced the complexity of utilizing graph in machine learning, therefore really rapidly gaining the popularity among the data science community. So the combination of these two trends is the growing application using graph like fraud detection, network-based attribute prediction, product recommendation, and etc. So this is actually what the industry insider said about graph. Like Gartner estimated 100% year-over-year growth of graph database till 2022. The new investment thesis of one of the largest graph database is to use graph data to enable AI. Leading researchers like Google Brain, like DeepMind, predict that graph AI is bigger than any other machine learning approach exists. So in terms of the market, right, graph AI is estimated to be a 70 billion market in 2025. And this is part of the data science platform market with numerous unicorns already. So you might have heard of like DataRobot, Dataiku, H2.ai, all actually have the business model to minimize or actually to reduce the complexity of using data science and machine learning. So our objective for lynxkite, and this is actually where we position, is to lower the entry barrier of applying graph AI, particularly for the growing number of the non-technical citizen data scientists. And this approach is very similar to DataRobot, H2.ai, in democratizing the generic machine learning. So lynxkite has been used by our internal data scientists to deliver around like 4 million of a consulting revenue in the last 3 years. And we are in the process of spinning off this product as a separate business entity. And the initial trial with the external user also gained pretty positive feedback. So in terms of our go-to-market and monetization, we are going to adopt a two-pronged approach. First is the bottom-up freemium and open source B2C2B model. This approach really is to provide the product for free for data scientists and let the data science community to adopt the product, and from there they will bring that adoption back to the enterprise. This approach is the target of this approach is to give us scale, to get adoption and usage. The second approach is a typical top-down B2B approach, where we will identify specific industry use cases for immediate commercial adoption. And this approach will give us the speed to revenue. So these are some of the industry verticals that we will be initially targeting. Is mainly banking, fintech, insurance, and telco. And these are the typical industry we will have a lot of graph data they can take advantage of. Last but not least, this is the composition of our initial team. We are actually a combination of people from like different places, from Europe and also Asia. Andras and Daniel, they are the initial developers of lynxkite, and they are ex-Googlers. Gabo and myself actually handle the business side, with Gabo having 20 years of experience in delivering large-scale IT project at PwC, Accenture, KPMG. And for myself, I have over like 15 years of commercial experience in technology companies like Yahoo, vSense, etc. So I hope this gives you a good overview of lynxkite. I look forward to our one-on-one for more elaborate discussion. Thank you.